Please focus on quality rather than quantity because quality will help you to crack any entrance examination which you will be appearing for. Hello everybody and welcome to the YouTube channel of Kavish Academy. My name is Sukirti Khandwal and I will be discussing here about how I was able to secure rank 1 in Delhi Technological University entrance examination for biotechnology, rank 18 in GAT-B, that is Graduate Aptitude Test for Biotechnology, and rank 13 in AIMS Medical Biotechnology entrance examination. So the very first point that I would like to discuss here is from where should you study? So according to me that will depend upon how much time is left for your examination to happen. So if you have plenty of time left, for example a year's time left, or if you have approximately 8 to 9 months, I think you can go for studying from the core books like Leninger, Cooper, Watson, QB, etc. But if you don't have that much time left, or even if you don't want to study from the core books, then I think you can refer to the Pathfinder series. They have covered almost all of the topics that are asked in entrance examination in a very precise manner. But what is the important point here is whether you are studying from the core books, or even if you are studying from the Pathfinder, or if you are studying from certain YouTube videos, you should prepare your own handwritten notes, because whenever you are going to appear for exam and you have a couple of weeks time left, you cannot really revise from the books. You need to revise from your handwritten notes only. So the very first point to take from here is start preparing your own handwritten notes. The second point that I would like to cover is how you can cover such huge syllabus. So according to me, what huge mistake we all commit during preparation is we try to cover 100% of the syllabus. So even if you have covered 100% of the syllabus and you have revised it only once or twice, there is a possibility that you will forget certain important points, and this will lead you losing any one question from your entrance exam. So to avoid this, what I did was I covered approximately 75 to 80% of the syllabus, but I had read all the important points approximately 8 to 9 times. So this helped me in attempting almost all the important questions, and I was able to retain a huge amount of syllabus. So my advice would be, please focus on quality rather than quantity, because quality will help you to crack any entrance examination which you will be appearing for. The next point I would like to tackle here is that what are some of the most important subjects that are asked in any biotechnological related examination. So that would include cell biology, biochemistry, molecular biology, genetics, RDT, immunology, ecology, and microbiology. And these may differ also depending upon the examination for which you are appearing. So please do refer the syllabuses of the respected exams also. uh, the next point I would like to add is you should always practice previous year questions. There can be certain exams for which previous year questions are really not available on the internet. So for preparation of those, you can go for any standard exams questions. For example, you can practice IIT JAM's previous year question, or JNU PYQs or BHU PYQs, because the standard of almost all of the entrance examination remains same only. The Apart from the previous year question, I used to practice MCQs from the Pathfinder MCQ book. It has question ranging from the easiest ones and to the conceptual ones also. So when you have studied a topic only once or twice, then you can go for the easy question, and then subsequently you can start studying the conceptual questions also. So apart from that, I also used to attempt the daily quiz that served on the Telegram page of Kavish Academy itself. It was really helpful for me because it also gave me an idea of where do I stand, because hundreds of students appear in that quiz, and it was a fun quiz too. So you can also go to that, and I would also like to thank Kavish Academy for providing us such great platform for performing MCQs and practicing them. The next part, I would like to add my suggestion to all the 2022 aspirants. You have plenty of time left right now, so please start preparing your own notes and practice as many MCQs as you can. Even if you are able to spare almost a couple of hours daily, you will be able to crack exams very easily, because most of the exams target testing your basic concepts. So if those are clear, you will be able to solve the easy questions and the conceptual ones as well. Apart from that, I would like to thank the YouTube channel Kavish Academy for bringing me here and for enabling me to share my experiences with you all. So, thank you so much, and all the best to all the aspirants appearing for the future examination. I wish you great success. Thank you.